Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Check out this recipe for these cutest little mini donuts, all decorated up with sprinkles and colored sugar glaze, or my favorite, chocolate iced variety. I've always liked the cake style donuts the best, but if a yeast fried donut is more your style, I have those recipes too. All the links will be below this video in the box. But I first want to show you the easiest donut recipe you will ever make. It's a one bowl mix, no mixers required. All you are going to need is a donut pan to bake them in and about 15 minutes to actually bake them. Yep, that's all it takes. Super fast and very little mess compared to the fried varieties and way less guilt too. Alright, check this out. You will need flour, sugar, salt, and baking soda. I'm using flax meal and water for the egg replacer this time. Plant milk, a bit of coconut oil or any vegetable oil will do, some vanilla extract. So first get the flax meal soaked into the water and then set that aside for about 5 minutes to thicken. In a large mixing bowl, combine the plant milk, melted coconut oil, vanilla extract, and the sugar together and just give it a whisk. Add the flax paste to that and then mix it well. Next, you're going to sift the flour, baking soda, and salt right into that wet mixture and whisk it smooth. That's it. Super fast donut batter in less than a minute. So be sure to have your oven preheating and then lightly spray that donut pan. I do find it easiest to pipe the batter into the mold since they are quite small and it does keep each donut exactly the same size that way. You can also make larger donuts if you prefer, and the links for the pans are below in the written blog post at gretchensveganbakery.com. So be sure to click through to grab the printable recipe, and all the links to everything you need will be right there. After just 12 to 15 minutes of baking for these little mini donuts, flip them out to cool the rest of the way, and then you'll get probably about 6 more from this amount of batter for a total of 18 mini donuts. While the donuts cool, prepare the sugar glaze icing from the confectioner's sugar and the plant milk, and you can add cocoa powder to make a chocolate glaze too. Again, all of those recipes are in the link in the description box below this video. You can decorate it with my recipe for homemade sprinkles or just keep it simple and go minimalist. Whatever you do, you are going to love these, so I really hope you're going to make them. Just head over to gretchensveganbakery.com for the recipe. But before you go, please consider giving this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you are not yet subscribed here to my channel, I hope that you will. A great big thank you to my awesome patrons and PayPal pals for the continued support. You guys are the reason that I'm still making videos and sharing these recipes for free. So if you think you can help for as little as $1 a month, click the link below to check out my Patreon account. Alright, thanks to everyone for watching, liking, subscribing, and of course commenting. I do love reading your comments so much, so please keep them coming. Until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.